Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos tungkol sa mga barya. Ito yung story guys ng ating Queens nga si Emilio Aguinaldo, ating hero, General Emilio Aguinaldo, from 1869 to 1964. Ang kanyang birthplace sa Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. At ang kanyang place of death, Quezon City, Philippines, at the age of 94. Filipino leader Emilio Aguinaldo led his country to achieve independence after fighting off both the Spanish and Americans. Emilio Aguinaldo was born on March 22, 1869 in Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. In 1898, he achieved independence of the Philippines from Spain and was elected the first president of the new republic under the Malolos Congress. He also led the Philippine-American War against U.S. resistance to Philippine independence. Aguinaldo died of a heart attack on February 6, 1964 in Quezon City, Philippines. And he was a Filipino revolutionary, statesman, and military leader who is officially recognized as the first and the youngest president of the Philippines and the first president of a constitutional republic in Asia. Aguinaldo ran for president in 1935 under the ticket of the National Socialist Party, but in the opening his campaign he disavowed association with any political party. Aguinaldo is known as the national hero in the Philippines. However, he is also somewhat controversial in the country due to his alleged involvement in the deaths of the revolutionary leader Andres Bonifacio and General Antonio Luna, and for his collaboration with the Japanese Empire during their occupation of the Philippines in World War II. Ito yung pictures na guys, is year Philippines, period Republic, 1946 ang date. Type standard circulation coins, year 1995 hanggang 2017. Value niya is 5 pesos. 5 peso. Currency piso, 1967 ang date. Composition nickel brass. May timbang siya na 7.7 grams. At 27 naman millimeter ang kanyang diameter. Thickness 1.87 mm. Shape niya is round. Technique is mild. Orientation middle alignment, number N number 1680 and reference number KM number 272. Series 1995. Yung overs niya guys, ang head of Emilio Aguinaldo facing right, value and date within scallop border. Meron siyang script na Latin at lettering na Republika ng Pilipinas, 5 piso, Emilio Aguinaldo, 1999. Yung translation, Republic of the Philippines. Ito rin yung reverse niya guys, central bank, cell within circle and gear design within scallop border. Script niya is Latin. Lettering, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, 1993. Translation, Central Bank of the Philippines. Age, smooth. Mint, Royal Canadian Mint of Winnipeg, Canada, 1976 and date. And BSP Security Plant Complex, PI niya, Quezon City, Philippines, 1975 yung date. Ito yung comments niya guys. With mint mark, coins with mint mark were struck in the Philippines. Coins without mint mark were struck in Canada by RCM in 1995, 1997, 1998. So ang 1997 nya guys, ang reverse 1 may 37%, uncirculated is 49 pesos. Meron din siyang reverse na 1997 PI 8%, extra price is 16. So ito yung 1999 guys. Ito yung 1999 guys na PI reverse 1 at 2% lang ang kanyang mintage ang nilabas. Meron siyang extra fine na 22 pesos. At ang error coins ay ibinibenta ito guys ng 500,000 sa carousel selling platform natin guys. Ito yung naka-display doon guys, ang 1999 na error coins. So kayo din guys, kung mayroon din kayong hinawakan ng mga error coins, kahit anong klaseng coins, basta may error, pwede rin kayo mag-selling sa carousel natin, Lazada at sa eBay, mga online group. Pwede rin kayong mag-display para kumita naman kayo sa mga hinawakan ninyo mga error coins. So yun guys, ang ating nakuhang mga informasyon dito sa ating 5 piso Emilio Aguinaldo galing sa ating source of information sa enamista.com at sa iba pang mga online selling site natin. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe. Pwede rin kayo mag-comments guys para malaman din sa iba nating mga coin hunter. Thank you guys and God bless atin lahat.